Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a RAM 1505.7 Hemi faster. Let's start with some foundational upgrades that offer excellent power and sound improvements. A cold air intake is a great first step, allowing your engine to breathe better. Pairing this with a catback exhaust system will not only improve exhaust flow, but also give your truck a more aggressive sound. Finally, a performance tuner can unlock hidden power by optimizing your engine's computer settings for these new parts. Moving beyond the basics, more advanced engine enhancements can significantly boost your Hemi's performance. Installing an aftermarket camshaft can dramatically change your engine's power band, often yielding substantial horsepower gains. Ported cylinder heads improve the efficiency of air and fuel entering the combustion chamber. Long tube headers further reduce exhaust back pressure, allowing the engine to exhale more freely. Remember, upgraded fuel injectors are crucial to supply enough fuel for these power increases. For the most dramatic power increases, forced induction is the way to go. Superchargers deliver instant, linear power across the entire RPM range, giving you a thrilling driving experience. Turbochargers, while having a slight lag, can offer even greater power potential and often better fuel efficiency when not under boost. Both systems benefit from an intercooler to keep intake air cool and dense. Be aware that adding significant power often necessitates a stronger transmission to handle the increased torque. Achieving maximum performance and reliability requires supporting modifications and expert tuning. An upgraded torque converter can significantly improve how power is transferred to your wheels, especially from a stop. With substantial power gains, stronger driveline components, like drive shafts and axles, become essential to prevent failures. Most importantly, custom tuning by a professional is critical to optimize all your new parts to work together seamlessly. Finally, consistent, thorough maintenance will ensure your high-performance Hemi remains reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.